What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? T Brown TV. I'm back doing a video. So everybody had an outrage on this Kyle Rittenhouse what's it called, the verdict that he was found now guilty on the weapons charges that the judges, they dropped it. Which I can understand, which I know the reason why, because if you go back at the video from last year, he was out there, he was out there with the protesters and the looters. And that's when, the video showed that he was not harming people, The video, it just showed that he's not really trying to kill nobody, not trying to attempt to murder nobody. He was just out there, just out there, I mean, so that's when the protesters and the looters, they came towards him. He didn't, like I said, he didn't go towards nobody, He just they just came up there towards him, stomped him, kicked him, threw him to the ground, all that stuff. They were just kicking him. They were just, beating the shit out of him, though. Excuse my language, though. So that's when, that's when Kyle Rittenhouse pulled out his gun, and just start, kill two people. The United States Constitution, you have the right to defend yourself with bare in arms, You have the right to, to defend yourself, self-defense. So, like I said, the video actually showed that he was just, it was self-defense, though. He did what he had to do, though. Did the right thing. Like I said, he was defending himself, though. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying, like, I could look at that, though. That's how I look at it. It's just my personal opinion. So basically, that's the reason why the judges, dropped the charges, though. High-profile case. He's going to found now guilty on this, particular case. So I mean, which I understand. So it's not surprising that he will get off, though. But it's like certain states, though, yeah, it's an open carry state because, like I said, every state, they got different laws, though. Just like in New York, not supposed to have a gun in New York. It's felony, 570 years. State like, Texas, Georgia, I forgot. I'm pretty sure Wisconsin and Illinois, whatever that situation that happened at, I'm pretty sure that's an open carry state. So like I said, every law is different in different states, though. So which means that I just look at it as a narrative, though. So be honest, though, I could just say that he defended himself. He had to do what he had to do, though. You know what I'm saying? He was just he was being stomped out. He was getting beat up, getting kicked on, Like I said, basically, they could have easily, snatched the gun. They could have just took his gun and killed him. But, they ain't do that. They just kept, kicking him, stomping. And that's when he just got up and just, let the shots go off, though, basically. So he had the right to defend himself. So I look at it as a narrative. So it's not surprising, though. So it is what it is. I just want to touch on this, on this story, though, and that's how I look at it because, everybody else gonna look at it different, though, because everybody else got their voice for their opinion. So I was just being honest, my honest opinion, about his situation because, like I said, you have the right to defend yourself with bare in arms in the United States Constitution, though. But like I said, every state is different, though. Open carry of legal firearms. So basically, that gun he had, it was legal, though. He was legal to carry with it. So basically, he was just defending himself, though. So the video just showed that he's not trying to hurt people. He's not trying to harm people. Attempted murder. So that's how I look at it, though. So it is what it is. Peace and blessing. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment below the section, tell me what you think, people. Because like I said, he just, he had to defend himself, though. So that's what in the United States Constitution. You have the right to defend yourself with bare in arms. So it is what it is. Y'all could, y'all know what to do.